guys, we're making a
Banana.
nilupak or nilusak na saging is a favorite kakanin in the province. For today, we will need boiled hilaw na saging saba, margarine, shredded or grated coconut, and asukal. Alright, let's do this!
Few inches later.
I don't know what's the English of the alho on the lubukanan. So we do it mano-mano na lang. We put margarine. Later we put shredded coconut in here. Margarine here. So guys, we wash the Red Horse bottle carefully before we use it. So don't worry, it's clean. I wash it many times and put also hot water in it. Make sure that it's clean. This is for family consumption only. Just do it this way because we also don't have mortar and pestle. In Bisaya, this is nilusak nga saging. Supposedly, ato ta maglusak sa lusong ting alho. Pero, island, di man uso ang lusong. Di po uso ang alho. So, pangitaan na ito paagi. Sorry, English day. We'll find a way to do this even without using the lusong and the alho. So later on, we're going to put sugar on it and tube. We put buto. And please put a sugar ate.
A few inches later.
This is the final product. Now we can eat it. So yummy.
So here's our finished product, banana. It's yummy banana.